Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, wowwahr. Today, I would like to share with you all a beautiful painting about Mother Nature which I received from Vaishnavi of class 11 from UAE. She had won in several art competitions, and for this special painting, she won second prize in the international art exhibition held around the globe. She had also expressed her love for nature in words, which also I will be sharing with you all. Nature is compared to a mother because they both gave us our life. Only after the last tree has been cut down, only after the last river has been poisoned, only after the last fish has been caught, only then mankind will realize the importance of nature. Nature was created for all of us, not only for some of us. If all insects and arthropods on earth suddenly died, within 50 years all life on earth would perish. Therefore, it is important to conserve our natural resources in a sustainable way. These were the golden words written by Vaishnavi.
If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and do share and subscribe.